said, asking you will receive whatever you need. You said, praying down here from heaven, and I'll heal your land. You said your glory will fill the earth like water the sea. You said, lift up your eyes, the harvest is here, yes, the kingdom is near. You said, ask and I'll give the nations to you. Oh Lord, that's the cry of my heart. Distant shores and the islands will see your light as it rises on us. You said, ask and I'll give the nations to you. Oh Lord, that's the cry of my heart. Distant shores and the islands will see your light as it rises on us.
Yung mga gusto mag-volunteer dito is they are God's blessing. They are a gift from God, especially for the poor, for the needy.
Because he's with you all the way, and you know he might be there telling you to let go of the bad stuff and the good stuff, but you know what, to let go and you know, let go of your fears as well. Like you think that you're letting go of, like, you know, actual objects, and but you just really need to let go of your fears and trust God.
Losing houses, living on the floor, literally, having bugs crawling on me. Best experience of my life.
You're more capable than you think you are. You could do all things. You could go beyond borders. You could. He's equipped you with the strength and love to really go beyond all the things that you need. So don't be shy. Don't be afraid. Do everything that you can, because God, our Lord, is with us.
Interaction with the beneficiaries, we learn a lot because we go out from our comfort zone, from our beautiful houses, from our beautiful life, and we immerse with them. We experience what they're experiencing. So in ourselves, we try to help them to achieve their goals also. We're sharing what we could give for them, and it's a really big uplifting experience, and as a person it helps me to grow also as a loving person.
It's a really humbling experience. Like they had their TV. Yeah, and it's like, yeah, and they were having the time of their lives.
Maraming salamat sa mga kananin sa amin dito. And, sana masaya rin kayong pinara dito sa amin. Hindi namin tumakalimutan. Thank you.